Charlotte, what are you doing? We're gonna take your baby for a ride? Yeah. They're stealing your baby's bottles. Are you a silly goose? Baby. There's a baby. Take her for a ride. No? Gotta put those down and show baby ride. Take her on a walk. Yeah, take her on a walk, yeah. Oh, good job. Look at you. Yay, Charlotte. Yay. Is that baby? Uh-oh. Daddy, strap her in. Here. Ah. Mom's got her stuck. There you go. There's your baby. Baby. Baby, baby. Are you gonna kiss your baby? Can you kiss your baby? Oh, where are you going? Oh, you wanna go see what Dad's doing? Okay.
Bringing your baby over?
Nope. She dropped it. What do you think you're doing? You're not supposed to be in here. You didn't bring your baby to show him. You better go get it. No.